Hi Eden Valley Drones, just come down again. It's 2 o'clock on Sunday. Just check out the crane, see how far they've gone on with it. And the bridge putting in is tomorrow, so I'll be down here quite early, probably about 9 o'clock in the morning. I can't see it being lifted in before that. And the weather forecast for tomorrow is sunny, no wind, so it's good weather forecast. Right, I'm going to stop about there. I'll try to keep my distance away from it. I don't want to get too close. That is a whocking big crane. That is big. I'm going to fly down the river a little bit. Just going to keep away from it and get a view from the other side. I don't want to get near it. Now if I turn around about here, and I'm over the river, so if anything happens, I'm not going to hit anything apart from water. I suppose when that's extended out, that's going to be really high. That other crane's big, but this one's bigger. I'll call the mammoth of all cranes. It's amazing. Makes that little, makes the truck look like a dinky toy. Struth. That's rather amazing, that. I've got this on full zoom, by the way, so I'm quite away from it. Right, I'll be down tomorrow morning. And we'll see what time they start doing it. I imagine it'll be after 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock-ish. Right, I'll catch you later and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. If you like my channel, give us a thumbs up. And I'll catch you all later. Bye.